Welcome to our special report
Happy
on the state
birthday,
of fast
sweetie.
food in America.
Best birthday
These places
ever.
used to feel human, messy, random, alive. Now everything feels optimized, predicted, synthetic. The toys are gone. There are no smiles on the playgrounds. The value meals suck ass. And somehow, they are still here. Researchers are concerned that the long-term impact of fueling biological systems with artificial ingredients can reduce mental acuity. Valid. But what happens when shitty behavior becomes the accepted norm fueled by this poison? First Karen arrived, then Chad. Now Maga. And the food, it just keeps growing. Maybe being human was the problem fast food was meant to fix.